Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Monika Sapitri. I'm from 5BA class. So in this opportunity, I want to present you the material about formulation of hypothesis. And let's start. Before we talk about formulation of hypothesis, we have to know the meaning of scientific method. The scientific method is defined as a method of research in which a problem is identified, relevant data is gathered, a hypothesis is formulated from this data, and the hypothesis is empirically tested. And then we know that if hypothesis is part of scientific method. So we have to know the meaning of hypothesis first. A hypothesis is a concept or idea that you test through research and experiments. In other words, it's a prediction that can be tested by research. Thus, basically, we make a prediction about the outcome at the start of the study and conduct experiment to test whether this prediction is true and to what extent. And to make it more clearer, I give you an example of research title. The research title is analysis of the effect of income tax on net income. So I make two options of hypothesis. The first one is H0 and the second one is HA. If it's for H0, the effect is negative. So the hypothesis is income tax expense has a negative effect on net income. And if it is for XA, the example of a hypothesis is income tax expense has a positive effect on net income. And next, actually, hypotheses have a concept. The first one is the development of a hypothesis is the first step in designing and conducting an experiment. So before we start our experiment, we have to make our hypothesis. And then the second one, the hypothesis should be clear, specific, and testable. We can take a look at of our hypothesis. This hypothesis has fulfilled criteria of clear, specific, and also testable. And then the third is the prediction for the outcome of the experiment. So actually, before we start our experiment, we have we already have a prediction of our experiment result. So the result will be negative or positive. And then the fourth is state relationship between independent and dependent variable. So in this hypothesis, we we write independent and also dependent variable. I think that's all what I could tell you from the time being. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.